I once came across a quote that struck a chord with me. The difference between ordinary and extraordinary is that little extra. It got me thinking about my world, the accounting realm, where this little extra often comes from a specialized area known as technical accounting. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is technical accounting? Well, let me take you on a journey through this fascinating field. Technical accounting is like the deep dive into a pool of numbers, where we explore the intricate details of accounting standards and principles. Picture this: financial statements are like a company's report card. A technical accountant is the diligent student who reviews every single number, ensuring that it adheres to established accounting principles like GAAP, which stands for Generally Accepted Accounting Principles, or IFRS, the International Financial Reporting Standards. We're the guardians of financial reporting, making sure that companies follow the rules and regulations that keep everything above board. But our role goes beyond just compliance. Think of us as interpreters of the ever evolving language of accounting standards. Regulatory bodies like the Financial Accounting Standards Board and the International Accounting Standards Board are constantly issuing new guidelines or amending existing ones. It's our job to stay on top of these changes, decipher their nuances, and make sure they're implemented correctly in the company's financial reporting framework. It's like being a translator for a complex language that's always changing. Now, let's talk about complex transactions. Financial statements aren't just a jumble of numbers, they tell the story of a company's intricate financial dealings. Technical accountants embrace these complexities. We dive into mergers and acquisitions, revenue recognition, lease accounting, and financial instrument valuation. Each transaction requires careful analysis to determine the appropriate accounting treatment, ensuring that everything is documented accurately. It's like piecing together a puzzle, making sure every piece fits perfectly to reflect the company's true financial picture. Another critical aspect of our role is assessing internal controls. You can think of internal controls as the security measures that ensure the accuracy and reliability of financial reporting. Technical accountants meticulously examine these controls, identifying any weaknesses that could leave the company vulnerable to errors or fraud. We collaborate with internal audit teams to strengthen these controls and implement best practices. It's like being a financial security specialist, ensuring that everything is locked down tight. When a company decides to implement a new enterprise resource planning system or upgrade its accounting software, guess who's in charge of making sure it's all set up correctly? That's right, the technical accountant. We meticulously configure the system to capture every financial transaction with precision. It's about mapping data flows, defining chart of account structures, and testing the system's ability to generate accurate reports. The goal: seamless reporting, where financial statements flow effortlessly from the system, saving time and minimizing errors. Research is another crucial part of our job. The world of accounting standards is constantly evolving, and technical accountants need to be resourceful researchers. When faced with complex accounting issues or unique transactions that don't quite fit into standardized guidelines, we turn into financial detectives. We dig into authoritative guidance from accounting standard setting bodies, explore industry best practices, and look at similar situations businesses have faced in the past. It's about navigating the labyrinth of accounting standards to ensure transparency and compliance. And let's not forget about financial analysis and forecasting. Financial data is a treasure trove of information, and technical accountants are the key masters who unlock its secrets. We analyze numbers to gain deep insights into the organization's financial health and performance. This can take many forms, from variance analysis, identifying differences between budgeted and actual results, to trend analysis, spotting patterns over time, and financial forecasting, predicting future financial outcomes. We combine historical data with knowledge of market trends to provide a glimpse into the company's financial future, which is invaluable for informed decision making. Risk management is another critical aspect of our role. We constantly assess potential financial threats like fraud or economic downturns. Our keen eye helps identify areas where the company might be vulnerable. To mitigate these risks, we develop and implement robust internal controls, acting as a safety net that catches errors and prevents financial mishaps. We stay updated on emerging risks and the ever-evolving regulatory landscape, ensuring the company complies with all relevant financial regulations. It's about protecting the organization's financial well-being. Now, you might be wondering how technical accounting differs from general accounting. Let's break it down. Accounting, in its broadest sense, is the language of business. It encompasses everything from bookkeeping, the day-to-day recording of transactions, to financial statement preparation, which presents a company's financial health to stakeholders. Technical accounting, on the other hand, dives into the details and nuances of accounting standards and regulations. It's like the specialized vocabulary within the language of business. The scope of accounting is broad. covering everything from financial reporting to complex financial analysis. Technical accounting zooms in on the intricate details and proper application of accounting standards. The skill set required also differs. While all accountants need strong organizational skills and attention to detail, technical accountants must have a deeper understanding of accounting pronouncement, the ability to interpret complex guidance, and excellent research skills to stay updated on the ever-evolving world of financial reporting. The aim of accounting is to provide clear and accurate financial information for decision making. Technical accounting ensures that this information adheres to established standards and reflects a true picture of the company's financial health. While accountants handle day-to-day tasks like accounts payable and receivable, technical accountants focus on specific areas like revenue recognition, lease accounting, or intangible assets, ensuring these areas are reported correctly according to relevant standards. Let's dive into some real-world examples of how technical accounting plays a crucial role in business. Take InnoSoft, a software development company. They invest significant resources in research and development to create innovative software solutions, resulting in valuable intangible assets like patents and copyrights. Valuing these intangible assets can be complex. A technical accountant steps in to assess whether the R&D costs meet the criteria for capitalization, ensuring that the company's balance sheet accurately reflects its value. Or consider Build Right Construction, which is working on a 2-year project for a new hospital. The project involves significant upfront costs for materials and equipment, but revenue recognition only occurs upon completing specific milestones. The technical accountant helps determine the appropriate inventory valuation method and revenue recognition approach, ensuring accurate financial statements that reflect the project's profitability. So, what skills do technical accountants need to excel in this field? First, there are hard skills. Proficiency in accounting software is essential, as is being spreadsheet savvy. Financial reporting expertise is a must, along with data analytics acumen. A solid understanding of taxation, internal controls, and auditing procedures is also crucial. Familiarity with coding and emerging technologies can set a technical accountant apart, allowing them to automate tasks and adapt to the evolving landscape. But let's not forget about soft skills. Attention to detail is paramount in accounting, as a single mistake can have significant consequences. Analytical thinking is essential for interpreting data and identifying trends. Effective communication is crucial for translating complex financial information to diverse audiences. Problem-solving skills help tackle discrepancies and compliance issues, while teamwork and collaboration foster a culture of transparency. A strong business acumen allows technical accountants to connect financial data to the broader business context. Now, who really needs a technical accountant? Companies of all sizes can benefit, but certain situations call for their expertise more urgently. Publicly traded companies, for example, must adhere to strict accounting standards. Businesses with complex transactions, those in highly regulated industries, and companies experiencing rapid growth all stand to gain from the insights of a technical accountant. Even organizations facing financial reporting issues can find value in their expertise. If you're considering a career in technical accounting, there are several paths you can take. You might start as a financial analyst, dissecting a company's financial health and creating forecasts, where you could become an auditor, ensuring accuracy and adherence to regulations. A technical accountant focuses on complex accounting issues, while a forensic accountant investigates financial crimes. Internal auditors provide independent assurance within organizations, promoting good governance. So, what does it take to become a technical accounting pro? First, you need a solid educational foundation, typically a bachelor's degree in accounting or a related field. Building your skill set through internships and specialized courses is crucial. Certifications like the CPA, CFF, or CMA can elevate your profile and demonstrate your commitment to technical expertise. Continuous learning is essential in this ever-evolving field, so stay updated on industry trends and network with fellow professionals. Now, let's talk numbers. The salary range for a technical accountant can vary widely depending on experience, location, industry, and education. Entry-level positions might start around $40,000, while mid-range salaries typically fall between $62,000 and $80,000. For those with significant experience and certification, salaries can soar to $100,000 or even $135,000. Looking ahead, the future of technical accounting is bright. With the rise of automation and AI, repetitive tasks will become increasingly streamlined, allowing technical accountants to focus on strategic analysis. Cloud-based accounting will revolutionize collaboration and data security, while data analytics will empower accountants to provide valuable insights for better decision-making. Blockchain technology could enhance transparency and traceability in financial transactions, and evolving skill sets will emphasize the importance of soft skills alongside technical knowledge. As we embrace these changes, technical accountants will transition from number crunchers to trusted business advisors, using their expertise to guide companies toward informed financial decisions and strategic goals. The landscape of technical accounting is evolving, and those who adapt will thrive in this dynamic field. So, the next time you think about accounting, remember that it's not just about crunching numbers. It's about diving deep into the details, ensuring compliance, analyzing complex transactions, and providing valuable insights that drive business success. That little extra in technical accounting makes all the difference, transforming ordinary financial reporting into something extraordinary.